My father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I can't afford my whole teenage life. Now I've been many places all these years. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. I guess the star that show me where I go, just like I knew you were.
Flaring sounds and sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight.
फुल सॅटर्डे फुल जाम ट्रॅफिक आहे. इकडे बघून घ्या आपली गाडी इथे उभी आहे. इकडे पण फुल ट्रॅफिक आहे. आता खरं दिसत नाही घोडबंदरचं. जर कोणी ह्या टायमाला घोडबंदर प्रवास करत असेल तर मित्रांनो त्यांनी शक्यतो तर अवॉइडच करा.